Fit type. Universal fit. Compatible with vehicle type. Trucks. Package dimensions. 29.718 L by 8.636 H by 25.654 W centimeters. Package weight. 2.53 pounds. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect replacement for stock mirrors. These mirrors were purchased for a 1997 Ford F250 HD. They mounted perfectly on the stock mounts. Easy to adjust and see out of, compared to the smaller OEM mirrors. My son will be adding blind spot mirrors to increase visibility even more. Great value for the money in my opinion.